whiskey and hot stick to clutch. Then I squeeze 3 at your cherry and 3 sang every
Take that. That ought to do it.
This is a complete waste of your skills and my expertise.
Think it came out pretty good?
Well, I guess we could call it modern art and sell it to some cats in Soho.
Nah, I'm not selling.
What? Why? Is this about the 5-0 thing? No, I told you, I did not ditch you. I was running to give and go. I thought you knew the play. All right, let's say I did ditch you, even though I didn't. Not for your sake, I see your face. Let's just say I did. I think all the blood, sweat, and dead presidents I put into getting these car parts for you make us even Steven.
It's not that. This car's special.
This car is a jigsaw puzzle made of garbage. Here, I bet the joint don't even start.
Bet? Yo, Mirage.
Yeah! Your boy is back! This dude said I wasn't even gonna start.